The postcode for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789763432. Lovely day here, Ulster, Warwickshire. I'm going to show you around this 2019 Coachman VIP 520. This is the 3-berth model. It's got the side dinette and it's the latest body shape. By that I mean it's got the 2-locker system at the front. It is 7'7" wide and it features the full width panoramic window at the front. Let me tour you around it. Comes with ATC, you've got barbecue point, access to space under the seats, and within there is a power socket too. It does come with a pre-fitted motor mover. All the bodywork's nice and bright, as are the blue decals. Come inside. So, I say this model is a 3-berth. It's very, very spacious, very, very open plan. Let me just tell you a bit more about it then. Got the 2-colour locker system as you can see, and soft close. Cassette blinds, so you've got night and fly screens. LED lighting, underpallet lighting. Very spacious lounge, giving you either 2 single beds or a very generous double. Not forgetting then that there's plenty of seating for 4 and indeed 6 of you. Useful pull-out occasional table with storage under. This model features the hourly heating system. You've got wooden effect flooring and you've also got the tailored carpet mat set. So you've got this additional seating in the middle, which lends itself to make into a lower bunk. You've got a very long kitchen, well equipped, full cooking unit, etc., microwave, and also extractor. I'll just let Mark do the bathroom area. Not forgetting the bathroom doubles up as a nice changing room. Anyway, it's in lovely condition. We offer great part exchange, finance subject to status. And as ever, on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much indeed.